Hi. In this video I will show you how to paint an old tank so that it looks like new. The first step is to remove the old coating completely to the metal. For this I use a special chemical agent. As well as various tools. The tank has been cleaned of old paint and we can see that there is rust on it. Now you need to delete it too. Moisten abundantly with a composition containing zinc and leave overnight. The next day we see the result, there is no corrosion at all. The tank is now fully protected and covered with zinc. The next stage, we apply the putty and after complete drying we grind. After processing, cover with a primer. It is necessary to apply several layers in order to remove small irregularities later. It is imperative to sand with water, so the surface will be smoother and more even. Here we see that the surface needs to be sanded again, otherwise it will be visible after painting. This is how a fully finished tank looks like. Its surface is flat. And now we finish. Paint with base and clear coat. There is no need to polish this as it was properly prepared before painting. Thanks for watching.